Hello guys, my name's Nathan, and today we're going to be learning how to clean and properly maintain your vinyl records. It's very important that wait a second, alright? You know what? I'm in charge here. I'm not playing by your rules, mister. Alright, you know, I can do whatever I want. You know what? You're fired! Oh, hello guys, my name's Nathan, and I love listening to music, but I prefer to listen on it on vinyl. Why, you might ask? Well, because it's simply the best. You know, there's no debate on. You know, some people think, you know, there's some, you know, there's nothing. All right, it is simply the best. You know why? I'm not having this conversation with you. I'm just trying to get fired. Guys, my name's Nathan, and I love listening to music, but I prefer to listen to music on vinyl. Why? Because it's just simply the best, guys, and it's really good. You get that nice clear sound that you can't get anywhere else. But there are important steps to maintain and clean your records properly. So I'm going to teach you guys the most important. Sir, sir, what are you doing? Sir, wait, no, whoa, what are you? No. Oh, no, no, sir, wait, stop, no, stop! Whoa, sir, what are you doing? Stop, just stop. Sir, do you know how to properly clean and maintain your records?
No, I don't.
Alright, by using these two utensils and 5 easy steps, I'm going to teach you how to do it. Step 1. Adjust your tone arm. You don't want your tone arm to lean forward or backward. You want it perfectly balanced. After this, you want to rotate the front ring to 0. Then adjust the weight to the recommended grams. Mine is 2 grams. Step 2. Adjust your anti-skate. Do the same number of grams you have on your counterweight. So I'm adjusting mine to 2. This acts as a counterforce that prevents your tone arm from being pulled in too quickly to the middle of your record. Step 3. Clean record. Use an anti-static record cleaner. This will get all your dust out of your records. Now, place your anti-static cleaner onto your vinyl. Then turn on your turntable. Now let it rotate 3 times. Step 4. Clean Stylus. I'm using a zero dust cleaner for this. And all you have to do is move your needle onto the zero dust cleaner and tap it twice. This removes all dust from your stylus. Step 5. Adjust your speed. 45 goes into 7-inch records and 33 goes to 12-inch records. Since I'm playing a 12-inch record, I'm going to be adjusting my speed to 33. Now, place your record onto your turntable. Make sure you only touch the sides. If you touch the grooves, the oils from your hands will make the record dirty. Now, raise your lever and move your tone arm to the record. Then, start your turntable. Congratulations! Now you know how to properly clean and maintain your records.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. My job is done there. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And remember, if you follow these 5 easy steps, every time you'll always hear perfection. Alright. Oh, new is a brand new